Hello guys, it is Christmas Eve and 6 in the morning and I'm filming a highly requested room tour video, but I thought I'd get some things out of the way first. First off, I look busted because it's like 6 in the morning, so don't come for me. Second off, a lot of this is the accumulation of things over time. I was living in the university dorms last year, and obviously due to COVID I had to go home. So that's why I have a mini kitchen in here, is because we needed a place to put things. Yes, I buy my own groceries. Yes, me and my family eat separately. We live that life. So I basically have a mini studio apartment in here, and that's why it's so fucking cluttered. Also, like, secondly, I guess, my hobby hasn't changed in 10 years. So a lot of this didn't happen overnight, and probably the only things that did were the LEDs, and that's just because I'm stuck in here too fucking much. So yeah, so I guess we should start now, and I guess we'll start with the entrance because a lot of people like the door, and it's just like basic LED strips. I have a Hello Kitty here on the doorway. I have a Sailor Moon fan art that I bought from an artist alley a couple years ago here, and if you go on this side, it's just a mess, so I won't really show you here so much. But here is the vacuum cleaner. It is actually purple, fun fact, but you can't really tell in this lighting. And then over here I have like where my bath towels and things are. It's not that impressive. Over here I've made vanity space. And of course, when you're getting pretty, you have to have inspiration, and this is my queen, Namie Amuro. As a poster, I just thought it was appropriate to have her like right above. And then here's my $3 bling job of a mirror, and where all like my hair stuff is all down here. I also do my makeup here. This is where I keep my nail stuff. This is where I keep my hair stuff. This over here is all of my circle lenses and these little like boxes. Some of them I haven't even opened yet. Brush cleaner, travel makeup bag, eyeliner and eyelash glue, and then this is like my makeup drawers, which everybody always is like shocked when they see. This is all like base makeup, so it's base makeup, contouring, highlighting, a little bit of blush in there, setting spray, concealer, all of that is in that top drawer for me to have. This is all like my lip stuff, minus some glitters and some eyelash glue because I couldn't fit it all in here. So yeah, I have like blushes and lip stuff and mascara, more excessive stuff. It's hard to see in this light, I apologize guys. And then this is like all my eyeshadow palettes. I'm not going to get them all out, but like trust me, I have a lot. Like I have pigments, I have like so much shit. I might even do like a separate video just for like my makeup collection. And here's what you guys have all probably been waiting for, is my eyelash collection, which is really fucking crazy. Like I showed this to a friend one time and she was like, what the fuck, bitch? Like I can't even pull it all out, but there's more back there. So yeah, there's my eyelashes. Shit that I stick on my eyeballs, basically. Over here is my kitchen space. So this is like my drink bar type of situation. So here is like where I put all my cups and things like that, silverware, straws. Down here, I have food in here now and like ingredients for okonomiyaki because like, yeah. But there's tea and things back there as well. And then here's like paper plates and things like that, and dry goods, all my dry goods and like canned goods are in that little alcove right there, but you can't really see them. But yeah, this is just like that. Not really impressive. Kind of just a basic thing. This is my Hello Kitty garbage can that's full because I was like cooking and still cleaning. Yet again, $3 bling job that's actually falling apart. This is my stove eye. Yes, I cook on this. Before I got the stove eye, I got a crock pot, and yes, I still use it to like make chili or like slow cooking related things. This is my oven mitt. This is my snack drawer that is like full of cookies and chips and things like that. As you see, it's quite full because I don't snack that much, but I like staying stocked for when I do want things. This is where I keep more dishes like bowls and plates and things like that. This is like a medicine drawer. I'm not even gonna pull it open, it's so fucking heavy. It's ridiculous, but there that is. And then I have a mat underneath all of this. This is my like little hand towel, because yes, I do dishes, not in here, in a different room. There's like a full sink in our washer. Here's where I like keep my foil and my garbage bags and things like that. This is my really cute fridge that everybody always gushes about. Like even when I was in the dorm, everybody like squeed over how cute my fridge is. I got real Akuma stickers from Daiso and I just stuck them on here. Yes, my fridge is purple, hard to see. These are BPN magnets, some magnetic little dry erase markers, and then this was a gift from somebody and I decided to put it on the fridge. This is more stuff. I have an electric kettle, a can opener, and a magic bullet because I, over the summer, was learning how to make drinks. That was like kind of my project. And then here's my like toaster oven. I make a lot of sweet potatoes in this. I made baked mushrooms yesterday. We'll chew into my fridge, though it's not that impressive. It's mainly just like drinks, condiments, sauces, chocolate. I always have chocolate in here. And New Year mochi. It's really hard to see because obviously there's no light. And I keep all like my cereals right there. So here is my new workspace. It's actually more spacious than where I had it. This is my MacBook 2019 13-inch. My Beats headphones, my E-drive, tape, sanitary stuff. I have my poster of Acme here that's autographed and my like little checky with them. My autographed poster with them. And now I can like move the window. I'm so fucking excited. My window's gross. I have to like actually clean it. But there's that. And then this is like a metal chair. It's so fucking uncomfortable. So I just put a bunch of like crap here to like pad it, because like yeah, fuck it. Down here is just like a printer and just things for the printer and travel makeup stuff, because yeah. This is an extra chair. It's not that impressive. The padding came out of it. I've had this since I was like 12, 13, so yeah. Back here, I know people are gonna wonder, this is all storage space. So these are all my bins for when I move to like my dorm and stuff. My cleaning supplies are over there. My box for my printer's over there. I have camera equipment all the way back there. So now we're at a different angle. Here's my shower caddy for when I take a shower, because just, yeah, that's how we live up in here. As you see, I am stocked with sparkling water. I don't do soda anymore. I just do unsweetened sparkling water. This is where I keep all my hygiene stuff, extra shampoos and stuff for when my hair is colored. Right now it isn't because the color's faded out. These are perfumes, skincare, I don't know what else might be in here. Other things. These I have to clean out. Hair dye, deodorant, you know the drill. Another light that was gifted to me. That's storage space again from a different angle. Here are plushies that I just put up here because, yeah. I know people are wondering about these photos. The photos are from my favorite photo shoot back when I used to, like, model. I like them so much that I put them up. I pulled kind of a Paris Hilton, don't you think? This is my coat closet, because if I put all, like, my jackets and coats in my closet, it's just not gonna fit. It's just not. Over here is an autographed postcard by the model Akira and also the designer of Alice and the Pirates, which is really cool, and I have it setting up right there. So a lot of people ask about this bed, and the real tea on this bed is it's really wobbly. It was never screwed in properly. That, and it's really fucking high even for me. I like a loft bed, but I like it a little lower, but nobody's willing to help me lower it or like do anything to it. So no, I don't sleep up there. So here's where I actually sleep. I just put a pallet on the floor because I'm safest on the floor. I really don't trust this bed. So yeah, I sleep on the fucking floor. I jokingly say that I like this whole room is training me for Japan because it's a very small space and I'm going to be sleeping on the floor. So it's whatever. So this is an alcove. I put my little string lights that I originally had in here from like years ago up here because now I have the projector over here. But here are some figurines that I collected from Toreba. I have like a little battery operated humidifier because we weren't allowed to have like actual humidifiers in the dorms. And then here's like my mini Sailor Moon shrine and a light that I got. So this is a Baby the Stars Shine Bright little thing that I got from back when I used to do Lolita, and I thought it was really cute, so I kept it up here. And here's a Mars flyer from when they visited LA. So everybody always asks me about the projector. I got it for really cheap actually. They're really affordable. It's easier than what you think it is. But this is my projector. I watch a lot of like concerts and music videos on here. I haven't watched a full movie on here yet, but I've also been really busy with school. But right now I just have like the little egg para thing on here because I think it's really cute. I'm gonna recreate these outfits soon in the future. That is the plan, because I recently got a camisole that is from this actually. So here is my like mirror. It's not very impressive. Sorry I look busted. Like I said, it's 6 in the morning. Here I have my like Dia belts and my Mars belts, my tutu hot belts all like hanging. I have my parasol which doubles as an umbrella over here, and here's what of course y'all been waiting for, and I'm gonna try to open this. I can't make any promises though. Here's what I think everyone's waiting for, and it's the fucking closet. My closet is absolute chaos. Like, I just have so much shit. Like, it's ridiculous, and I want to get rid of none of it. I typically have it organized by sub-style and by like brand. So like all my darker stuff and like Raku is in here, and then it goes to Dia, then to Agajo, Hime, and then Hime Kaji, and then like normal people clothes. And ignore my shoe stuff. It is like I said, it's absolute chaos in here. But yeah, this is like one side of my closet. I'm going to try to show you guys the other side. I'm not making any promises though, because sometimes, you know, my closet wants to clown around. So here's the other side. It's really fucking messy. I haven't figured it out yet. This is like all like my normie or like off-brand clothes. So off-brand's here, the other side's all brand. This is my bookshelf from when I was a child. So I have like over 200 manga on here. It's kind of crazy. And now I have like all my childhood CDs because my friend took me to the CD store called Dimple that was closing like a year ago, and I repurchased all my childhood CDs because mine actually got stolen from me. And then here is my Japanese fashion magazine collection. I have just like a ton of like eggs and agehas and pop teens, Karas, Gothic Lolita Bibles, a bunch of stuff on here. This is all like my shoujo stuff and like I have like a lot of like OG stuff. My camera is right here. But yeah, this is all of my... I really like Kuroshitsuji, and I liked it so much as a high schooler that I have like the English ones and the Japanese ones, and I also have Rust Blaster. And yes, I have Junjo Romantica, but we don't fucking talk about Junjo Romantica. And then over here I have like all the OG Shonen Jumps. I have like 2003, I think up to 2003 to 2005 or 2006. Don't quote me on that, but I have quite a bit of Shonen Jumps in here. And then there is my sticker collection. Yes, I collect stickers. And that has been my room, guys. What did you guys think? Is it everything you guys are thinking it would be? Like I said before, I have the LED lights in. Those were a really cheap fix. These bulbs were like $5. That's why my room's so fucking like dim, is because I'm using cheap ass bulbs. But they do change color and they do things. I think the projector was like $75-$80, which was actually not that bad. And yeah, and then I just have this like LED light here. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. as MTV says, time to get the fuck out of my house.